na lang. So maybe the future homeowners are very curious when it comes to the prices and computation that we have and the available financing options dito sa Hamana Homes. So sir, how much ba yung typical total contract price ni Nanea? Let's begin with the single attached that we have.
Nanea, nag-average siya ng 6.7 million. TCP na yan, all in.
All in, yes.
Here in Hamana kasi, just focus on the TCP because we don't have hidden charges. We are very transparent. Yung bang pipirmahan ni client po dun sa sample computation natin, that's it, yes.
So, how about the monthly down payment, sir? Or how many % yung down payment nila? And ilan yung payment terms nyo or how many months?
Yes. If they actually, we have two kinds of financing. We have the bank financing and the pag-ibig. Actually, we don't have in-house financing yet. Pero sooner po.
Sooner pwede magkakaroon.
Sa bank financing natin, ang scheme is 1090, 10% down payment and 90% loanable amount. The 10% will be
payable up to how many months?
Yes, if RFO po yan, 6 months to pay siya. And then, regular payment is 12 months po.
Oh, I see. So, they do have still ample time, no? Para bunuin yung down payment niya. So, when it comes kay Nanea, it's somehow similar with Miana and Lamea.
Yes.
So pare-pareho regardless with the model unit.
Yes po. Pagdating sa financing,
payment terms and financing option.
Pero just to give you other inputs, sa Miana po kasi we have a different scenario na may Miana tayo po na hindi siya vatable. Yung isa naman non-vat siya. So it's a big difference. For example, we have Miana kasi na located sa mga prime location. So they have the TSP of 3.8. So pag sinabi mo 3.8 here in the Philippines po, basta lumampos po ng 3.6 ang property, it is vatable. So tatakbo po yan ng mga 4.6. Compare po dun sa 3.4 na regular Miana namin. So, plus the transfer of title, magiging 3.7 lang po. Versus 4.6. So, almost 1 million po ang difference.
I see. So, for the Miana, nag-range tayo ng 3.4 to 3.8 depending on the specific unit.
Yes, the orientation of the unit po.
I see. How about the last one that we have is the Lamea na townhouse. Mga how much po yung TCP naman, sir?
TCP po is 3.4 po yan.
3.4.
So, 3.1 po yung TSP plus natin yung transfer of title, yung processing fee.
So, naka-breakdown naman.
Yes po, nasa sample computation natin
yan. I see. Ayun, sir. So, ayun, thank you so much, future homeowners, for joining us dito sa Hamana Homes. So, looking forward in helping you. That's why for more information or details about this project, feel free to message us with the numbers below and we're more than happy to guide you. Ayan. So aside from our broker coordinator who joined us for today's vlog, so nandito din ang sales head namin. So sir, please introduce yourself and invite them to invest here in Hamana.
Yes, good morning everyone. My name is Marlon Galang, the sales group head here in Hamana Homes Magalang. Thank you very much, Sir Alan. And also the A Marquez Realty, for visiting us, to all the global Filipinos out there. I would like to invite everyone to visit our site here in Magalang, Pampanga. So one of the best investment that you are going to choose, and especially the emerging area, near airport, near SM Clark. Then also, Sir Alan, mas malapit na ngayon dahil from NLEX to here, mabilis na lang ang biyahe. Then meron tayong mga train station na tinatayo dito sa Clark.
So very accessible talaga, So again, sir, thank you so much for sharing your insight dito sa Hamana Homes. So again, we're more than happy to guide you. That's why feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to guide you. Bye for now.
Yes.